In the mirror, I thought my makeup was super cute. And then I turned on this camera and was like, oh, Lord, did you try to even blend it, child? Okay. Ooh, holy smokes. Hello, and welcome to Chucks and Chapstick. I ask you to do 3 things if it is your first time. 1 is to hit the subscribe button. 2 is to tap on the notification bell so that you never miss a Chucks and Chapstick upload. And 3, if you like this video, and I'm pretty sure you will, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button to let me know that you actually like the content that I'm bringing. First of all, I'm going to apologize. It has been a long time since the last time I uploaded a video. I don't think I've ever gone that long without uploading a video. I'm going to get better about making sure that I upload on a consistent 7 to 10 day schedule, but you have plenty of content coming your way really soon here. The box that I'm doing today is dia&co. Now, I used to get dia&co boxes. I probably haven't gotten one in about 7 or 8 months because I just wasn't feeling like they were consistently sending me things that I was really interested in. Not a bad box, just really wasn't a good fit for me. But another YouTuber named Alicia Martin mentioned that for the month of October, dia&co, as long as you picked one item to put into your box, that there was no like styling fee. And so I'm like, well, what's there to lose? Maybe they have something in there that I like. One thing about dia&co that's different from like Stitch Fix and other styling services is that you can pick a few items to put into your box, which I think is a neat service. And like Stitch Fix and a few other services, you actually can purchase items outside of your box. So if you just see a pair of jeans you like, you can go on their website and purchase the jeans. Anyway, so this is not open. First impressions, besides the one item that I picked for myself. So I'm excited to see what they sent me. So here we go. So here are the items that we have. It's very heavy, so I have a feeling this is very fall, winter inspired, which is great because winter is coming. Winter is coming. All right, so let's go ahead and dig in. Well, that's not very winter inspired, a tank top with a lace bottom, but I love that color green. That is foxy. Okay, so here is a long cardigan with a sports sleeve. This is actually the one item that I did request. Very heavyweight, feels good though. I'm already liking this. Oh, okay, this is a red fit and flare dress. Very cute. I feel like I got this dress before in a different color, and that that was from Stitch Fix. Never mind. Okay, cute fit and flare dress. So I'm gonna try it on just so you can see it in case it's something you want to ask for. The one thing though that I don't think I've ever mentioned is that I don't wear like necklaces. The reason why you never see me in necklaces is because fake jewelry actually bothers my neckline. I get rashes. Strange thing is that I can wear cheap earrings all day long. I think these earrings cost me $3. I can wear cheap earrings all day long, but it's something about it sitting against my neck that bothers me. And a pair of jeans. Very stretchy. They look really nice. So we'll go ahead and start with this red fit and flare dress. I actually got my first fit and flare dress in a box, and I'm so glad I actually tried it out. This comes in a very pretty color. It's got lots of stretch. It's very comfortable. The only thing that I wasn't a fan of is the way that the pockets lay on the side to kind of flare out. My solution to that was to just put a jacket on over it. But overall, this was a great dress. Next, we'll move over to this pendant here. It's very pretty. I think that it completed the outfit, just one simple piece of jewelry. But for reasons mentioned previously, I know I'm not going to be able to keep it. Cardigan time. Here's the cardigan that I picked to have sent in my dia box. It is very comfortable, very stretchy. It's heavy without being like suffocating. It can zip up all the way on the side there, but I would just wear it open. I like the sleeves. I like the stripe on the sleeve. I just really like everything about this cardigan. The fit, the feel, everything. The back has a kind of belt for cinching, but I wouldn't cinch it. It's there if you need it though. And then we'll go ahead and move on to these jeans. So I like these jeans. I like the cut of the pant leg. I like the wash. I like the way that they fit on my butt. But that waist had no give. I don't understand it. Ladies, have you ever had a pair of jeans that were so tight around the waist that they left that red itchy ring? Oh, so y'all gonna act like that's just me. Okay, well these jeans did that regardless of how comfortable the rest of them were. So back to dia they go. So next we'll talk about this green tank, which I actually thought the color was beautiful. However, this material is not very Christ-like because it does not forgive. It shows all lumps, bumps. You can see the seams of my pants below, the buttons. It shows everything. So unfortunately, it's just not a good look for me. So although I like the color and you can always use a solid color tank, I decided that this was not the top for me. So I have to ask, what did you think about this box? Wow, I really didn't hate anything, honestly. The red dress I liked. I didn't anticipate liking it. I don't like the way the pockets sit, but overall, if you wear a jacket, whatevs. It's a pretty color. It was very stretchy, very comfortable, and it was a nice cut. The jeans, I've noticed about the jeans from dia&co that they have that kind of mom jean cut where they're high-waisted. They have room for like hips, but the waist of it doesn't have much stretch, and so it just ends up being really uncomfortable at the waistband, even though the rest of it was, I like the wash, I like the cut of the pant leg, and it was stretchy. So those were kind of a no, whatever. I like the jewelry. I just know I can't wear it. And then we have the cardigan. The cardigan I picked. I liked it. What more can I say? Last piece was the green top. I didn't like the way it hit. I don't really like the fabric, but I thought that the color was very pretty. And honestly, had it not had that lace at the bottom and come in a slightly different fabric, I would have went ahead and got it. Because, I mean, it's a green tank. Who can't use that? So, anyway, I actually, at this point, am only going to buy the cardigan. And here's why. I picked it out myself. As soon as I took it out the box, I'm like, I'm going to like this. I put it on and I'm like, yeah, I really like this. So at no point did I ever have hesitation about it. And what I've learned is that if you like something, go on and get it. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the prices real quick. I think dia&co did a pretty dadgum good job. I might regret sending the red dress back, but I know that that dress has actually been on their website for about a year, so I don't think it's going anywhere. So if I change my mind about it, I can just always go order it ad hoc outside of any box ordering. No big deal. So thank you for stopping by today. I appreciate you hanging out with me for a few minutes. If you have any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye. Our brows are getting a little better. I'm going to be like the YouTube makeup video people.